Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to the Queen's Park Savannah in Port of Spain to witness the Easter tradition of kite flying. With the passage of time, we see less of the old-time kites made of paper and bamboo sticks held together by a flour paste glue with a tail made of strips of cloth. However, kite flying still has some popularity, especially among children.
I'm trying to get first like that one over there. I think it's coming down.
The Chuki Chong, which is a kite made from notebook paper with a tail also made from notebook paper, is the easiest kite style to make and was probably the first type of kite that most children learned to fly. The most commonly used design for a kite was the diamond shape. This kite style requires a long tail for stability and flies at low angles. On these kites, the longer the tail, the higher the kite will fly. In every part of the Caribbean, whether Bermuda, Trinidad, Guyana, Barbados, or Grenada, there is a particular shape of kite that always generates excitement and causes everyone to stop and look into the sky. These particular kites are known as bulls or mad bulls because the sound they make can be quite loud. The mad bull kite is always held in amazement as it is a very large kite that was and is generally flown by teenagers and adults because it requires a lot of strength to hold the string. The bull is a flap of paper attached to the kite so that it flaps in the wind and makes the kites buzz or sing.
So you put on this here, and it's more bigger than this here, but it busts off with the breeze and so. So yeah, so this will make any song, will make it singing. Yeah.
Nice.
Singing.
Singing.
Mad bull kites vary in size from 6 inches to over 20 feet.
But the mad bull we make with the bamboo now. I just see them in the air, them is them big kite and them. Son, them big kites. They making them with bamboo. And they try to pull them, fly them with marling. Because these kites is pull you away. If you have foam gong nation now, you're catching yourself going so. You understand? So you start to hold, especially how big you make the kite and them.
The bull kite is a hexagonal shape with the framework made of light wood or bamboo sticks.
It must have that center piece. So automatically, when you check an aeroplane, you see the same kind of effect. You understand? So, and the thread and the breeze keep them out there. This thread is a nylon. The thread we used to use is a cotton thread.
One type of kite that is always admired in Trinidad is the fighter kite. This kite is designed to cut the strings of other kites as they fly, using a sharp object such as crushed glass or razor blades glued to its string.
I knew it from just using thread,
Yeah.
or using a special kind of light twine. I don't know what it is.
I think the kind of polythene, they must call it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember that as a child, we making it out of Fex broom or
Yeah,
bamboo.
yeah. The
and
pointed broom, the kind
yes.
of
Yeah, we
cookie
just call
broom.
it cookie broom.
Yeah.
Right. Well, in the country, I from country,
Okay.
Blanchishes.
Okay.
And of course, they say coquille broom.
Yeah.
But we also said fex broom.
Flex boom.
Yes, fex broom.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
you used to take that
Yeah.
and use the kite paper,
Yeah.
put it
Or
together.
sometimes use
thing.
a book page and
And yes,
Yeah.
and do that.
That's how we know it as a book
and you
page.
get in, when you use the book page, you're using the paper itself to make
Yeah.
the tail.
Yeah.
And it's kind of spiral. Of course, later
Yeah.
on, they start using cloth. So we
Yeah.
used to use my grandmother. Any
Yeah.
scrap of cloth she would have,
True,
tie it
true.
together. And, we're doing
Yeah.
that. But that is that has been so long.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
this is so amazing, boy. And the rope as on the
Yeah.
tail. Let me ask you something.
Uh-huh.
You know this thing where they used to put razor blade or something?
Yeah. For busting people kite, yeah.
Once you go down and that fella day,
Yeah.
your tail, and you just keep pulling up. That is it with you, you know.
The peak period for kite flying is February to May because of the constant winds. During that period, similar to other Caribbean countries, there is a large kite flying competition each year during April, usually on Easter Sunday at the Queen's Park, Savannah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps me make more content out there. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next adventure around Trinidad and Tobago.